What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage. And I got some news and some information for you guys on what's going on with the BMW. It is positive. And, yeah. Let's get into it. Alright guys, welcome on back to TK's Garage, and today we are talking about the Petty Roosevelt, my BMW 540i monstrosity. And the body shop, they didn't give up. They just, they put the parts on, did the stuff that they could do, and then they sent it to BMW, which I think was a good idea. But now, at least from the body shop or USAA's perspective, shit's about to get expensive. So while the car was in the body shop's hands, they took it for an alignment at Ted Wiener's or Winans or whatever the fuck, Firestone here, and they jacked it up. They tried to align a car with a bent rear axle. Like, why? So they screwed the body shop on that. I'll never bring my car to any of their shops just on the fact that they even tried to align that car. That was retarded. Anyways, so they do that, and we find out that the rear end is still all bent. So control arms all the way around, new tires. So now we got 4 new tires all the way around, 4 new rims all the way around. But the traction control light's on. Now that wasn't on when I brought the car there. So it could be when they forced it into alignment, like really pushing that wheel, that they may have either caused an issue with the axle in the rear where it could have came out. Or maybe the X-Drive system is tripping from the collision in the front, which if that's the case, transfer case, all that good stuff. Oof. So, we'll see. Needless to say, speaking with the manager over at the body shop, they were cool about it. They talked to, and I know who they're dealing with at BMW. So when I left the body shop, I literally called them, and we'll talk about some bullshit that just happened with Enterprise too here in a minute. Just wait for that. But anyways, so I called up to BMW and I'm talking with them, and he's like, "Yeah, your car's up here. Everybody's trying to take pictures and shit of the car." And I've already been tagged on Instagram like 3 times today. That's how I knew the car was there. So basically, the body shop told BMW whatever they find, like if the brakes are warped or bent, whatever it needs, fix it. I don't know. I personally don't know any BMW service manager that would not 100% take them up on that. So, 4 new tires. Looks like I'll probably get new rotors in the front at least anyway, which could have been damaged in the accident. Tires, brakes, shocks, control arms, ball joints, all that stuff has been replaced now. I think only the left front, the driver's side, is the only part that hasn't had its control arms and stuff replaced. The rest of the car has. So stuff that I was going to have to pay to do like regular maintenance at 100 and something thousand miles, and I think I'm at like 87,000 miles on my car right now. So like it was going to be coming up in like 6 months anyway, is all done now. Plus the fresh paint. There's no more like dings or pits or crap on my bumpers. It's starting to come together, and I'm starting to feel better about it. And I do appreciate the shop, and I promise I'll mention who the shop is when the car is done, and we'll talk about it. I appreciate them like realizing, not like I don't want it to be like, oh, because of his social media stuff, we don't want to get destroyed. It's not just that. I appreciate them realizing that my car was fucked up, and the fact that they tried to deliver it to me fucked up, not noticing the rear end, and that different people were on vacation and communication and wires got crossed. Like, I understand that mistakes happen. I'm cool with it at this point because, with the Green Monster, the repair wasn't even as serious as what is going on with the BMW, and my car was there for over 3 months with nothing happening because they trashed my car. Here, it's a little bit over a month and it's almost done. So I can't really bitch, right? My car went in on June 9th. It's about to be July 21st, so a month and a half, and the car could be done by this weekend. We'll see. But getting back to that, here comes the drama part. I'm driving today. Just left Nellis, so I was going by the body shop anyway. And I get a phone call from Enterprise, and they're trying to bill me for like 6 or 7 days of like rent time on my, and I'm like, get the fuck out of here. No, because we've already worked this out with the body shop. The body shop is paying for the rent-a-car now. So they were able to go into the system and finally see what they call an RO, you know, the order for it. So basically they were billing me for the car and the body shop for the car. Come on, Enterprise, you got to do better, man. You got to do better. That's crazy. That's some bullshit. So I went by the body shop. I made them aware of it. They're going to get it straight. And there it is, man. So with that said, positive news on the BMW. I'm feeling a little bit better about it. If I don't have it done, if it's not done by this weekend, I'm not stressing. I don't, and this is going to sound like, TK, you're so petty. And it's not, I'm not stressing because I have their renter car, right? But that's why. Like, I know it costs the body shop money every day that I have this rent a car. So I'm not stressing. I don't care. When it gets done, I know it'll be done right, and I know that my people at BMW here in Vegas are not going to fuck my car up. So major shout out to them. But anyways, there you have it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments section down below. If you see my car on social media on a rack, or they're doing something with it at BMW, that's why. They have it. The body shop sent it there. It's not that I took it and sent it. The body shop sent it to BMW to get finished. So major shout out to them for getting that done. Major shout out to USA for approving it, because that was going to be expensive. And I guess they realized, yeah, we kind of fucked him over on this car. And, you know, but it is what it is, man. You know, things happen, and I'm learning to just let it roll off my back, man. But there is your update. You now know what's going on with the BMW. Hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. Got some walk around videos, guys, coming for you this week. And more content coming soon. I think I have a buyer for the Nissan. And I think, like, I did really good on this car. When I tell you what this thing books for, we're going to do a separate video, and I'll probably do a profit or loss when we sell it. Oh boy. Anyways, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Thank you guys very much for watching. I'll catch you guys very soon on the next one. Peace. I'm going to tell my kids that was Lindsay Lohan. Yep.